Welcome to 3D Interactive Virtual Classroom. Highlights. Our newest program showcases the world's best 3D stereoscopic academic videos for students of classes 1 to 12. The videos, which come with an English voiceover, cover 2000 plus topics in mathematics and science. The content covers syllabi for all streams, that is CBSE, ICSE, IB and State Board. The content gives a more realistic view, working model of the subject being studied.
The main organs responsible for respiration are present in the thoracic cavity. In the thorax region, the rib cage and a dome-shaped fibrous tissue, known as the diaphragm, are observed. Present within the rib cage are the pleural membranes, which enclose the lungs. The right lung is divided into 3 lobes: the right superior, right middle, and the right inferior lobe. The left lung is smaller and has only 2 lobes, the left superior and the left inferior lobe. Both the lungs are associated externally with small tubular bronchi, which unite and extend into the trachea.
It offers 3D videos, 3D activities, 3D practicals and 3D real-time simulations.